Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Morning.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
My
wabarakatuh.
name is Muhammad Reswa Khairi Syafiq. Me and my team delighted to stand before you today to present this presentation. The title of this presentation is Composite Manufacturing of Recycled Polypropylene Fiber Reinforced Epoxy Made of Medical Mass Waste. First, I will tell you about the introduction. Several studies have recycled polypropylene both as a pure raw material and with waste mixture. 2021 have tested the recycling of pure polypropylene was or 100% polypropylene without any additional materials or impurities. Meanwhile, research using polypropylene with the addition of other plastic was such as HDPE and LDPE products properties that are almost the same as pure recycled polypropylene, whose applications can be used for bottles, containers, folding tables, pipes, and crackle bags. This study is also in line with previous studies showing that polypropylene mixture using additional PET plastic waste can also be products into pipes that can compete with commercial pipes if they are efficiently mixed. Besides HDPE and LDPE, which are used as resin for polypropylene fiber, best composite epoxy is also applied in some studies, but the results have overcome the problem by modifying the surface of polypropylene with a mixture of mercaptan-modified ethylene vinyl acetate copolymer, which result in an outstanding impact characteristic as compared to pure polypropylene fiber-based composites. The polypropylene fiber were blended with composite with exposure resin with a concentration of 5, 10, or 15%. But this research only investigate the thermal degradation without any mechanical test. Another way to make a composite out of polypropylene or epoxy was through the pyrolysis of polypropylene waste. Then the result was cured with exposure resin. The earlier study also used was from medical mass to calculate the mechanical properties of a thin layer of polypropylene sheets. On the other hand, there aren't many composite samples that have been investigated with the raw materials from medical mass was. They are previous research had used polypropylene from plastic bottles but had not used non-woven polypropylene or polypropylene was from medical mass. Concerning the shortcomings of previous research, the study aimed to contribute by testing polypropylene from a three-layer medical mass, in which all layers are made of polypropylene. The exposure resin was used as a matrix to bind the fiber reinforcement without heat treatment for coring the composite. It was chosen to make it easier for the community to produce composite while using less energy and recycling the waste of medical waste.
My name is Farhan Afal. Methodology, material. 2.2.1 materials. The material that we are used in this study are polypropylene fibers obtained from medical mix, shown in Figure 1. Product by PT fi- product by PT Hetzer Medical Indonesia. Figure 1. Specimen of a medical mask with a outer outermost layer, B middle layer, and C innermost layer. 2.2 Preparation process for making composite samples. The middle layer mesh material, which is shown in figure 1b, was weighed at 150 grams and cut into a rectangular shape. The middle layer mesh was chosen because it is made of the strongest propellant layer, as opposite to the first and third layer, which are suitable for composite material. After being cut, the mass material was put into a grinder for maximums of 10 until 15 grams to be smoothed evenly to produce reinforcement in the form of practical.
My name Rizky Setiawan. I will read result. This increase also occurred in the research of Sujita 215. The greater the amount of reinforcement in the composite, the higher the maximum stress on the tensile strength. In this case, the middle layer medical max serves as reinforcement and has strong tensile properties compared to the binder matrix of epoxy resin. The concentration and distribution of the middle layer of the mesh as reinforcement greatly affect the strength of the composite. In addition, the small value obtained in this tensile test stress value is due to of the is due to the process of mixing the epoxy and hardener, which is still done manually. Causing voids are also very influential of the strength of the composite 3.2 SEM or scanning electron microscopy. The SEM analysis was carried out after testing the tensile strength in the tensile fracture area of the epoxy composite reinforcement with the middle layer of medical mesh with the highest tensile strength value, namely the 75% reinforcement volume fraction. This test aims to find out how the bonding appearance between the middle layer of medical mesh is reinforced with epoxy resin as a binder metric. Figure 6 above show the same result of a composite sample with 75% reinforcement volume fraction of the middle layer of a medical mesh. The same image show that the middle layer of the medical mesh with mix well with the epoxy resin matrix, but the maximum stress was still low. This this is due to a weak bond between the matrix as a binder and the middle layer of the medical mesh as reinforcement. It might have occurred because there are still visible air voids in the material. Thank you.
My name is Miflaur Rosidin. I will read the conclusion section. The addition of a middle layer max as reinforcement can increase the tensile strength of the polypropylene or epoxy composite. The student used no head treatment to coat the composite. Thus, in could be essay appealing by to community to produce a composite for occasional application while also taking advantage of recycling the waste of medical masks. The highest overlay tensile strength is found in the 75% reinforcement composition, where the tensile strength is 19.64 MPa. The lowest tensile strength is found at 25%, reinforcement, where the tensile is 1.73 MPa for two pressure related to composite can be developed with recent materials and materials other than those used in this study at different temperature of pressure for the manufacture of composite. Example of other alternative to epoxy resin substitutes are polyester, phenolic, polycarbonate, etc. Thank you for your attention, and I hope you find this presentation and informative. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.